See the question on bottom of the screen. So first go through the question. Now see here, real number of z minus z complement plus z complement divided by 2 minus 3z plus 5 of z complement. This is the situation. This is given real number of z is equals to 3. The outcome when you will solve this will come open interval alpha to beta closure interval. After that you have to find out 24 into beta minus alpha. After that you have to come to the option. Clear? Okay. See, so how to approach this question? How to approach this question? See, simply what? Z equals to what? X plus iy. No issue, sir. No issue at all, sir. My student, my child is here. Real number of z is 3 given. So can I use this directly here? Yes. No issue, sir. No issue, sir. 3 plus I of y. Z. If z is 3 plus I of y, so my student tell me what is z complement? Sir, 3 minus I of y. No issue, sir. Okay? Okay? Okay. Now see, z minus z complement plus z into z complement. First solve this. So z minus z complement plus z into z complement equals to what is z? X plus x 3 plus iy. No. Okay? So this is what 3 plus iy and plus of z. What is z now? Again 3 plus iy. 3 plus iy into what is z complement? 3 minus 3i. Okay, sir. No issue, sir. At all. At all. My student, my child. Now listen me carefully. What is this? Sir, this is 3 plus I of y plus. Can I write directly? This is 3 plus iy into 3 minus iy equals to 3 square plus y square. Means 9 plus y square. Can I write directly? Can I write directly? Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me. You can go through, you can solve it, you will get the same answer, 9 plus y square. Or you can keep this in your brain that directly whenever this form comes, just directly you can use a square plus b square. No issue, sir. No issue. So what is this, my student? 9 plus 3, 12. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus y square plus I of y. No issue? No issue? No issue, sir. Okay, my student. Now listen me carefully. What is 2 minus 3z plus 5 into z complement? Solve that. 2 minus 3z plus 5 of z complement equals to 2 minus thrice of z. I am doing directly. Thrice of z. So thrice of z is what? 9. 3 into 3, 9 minus of 9 plus 3y of I. Yes or no? Okay, no issue, sir. Plus 5 of z complement. Plus 5 of what is z complement? 3 minus I of y. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So my student, what is this? 2 minus 9 minus 3yi 5 plus 5 into 3, 15. 15 minus 5yi. Agree? Okay. Now see, 9 to 15. Solve it. 15 plus 2, 17 minus 9. 11. Am I right? So this is what? 11. And what is this? 3y minus 3y minus 5y minus 8yi. So minus 8yi. Do you agree? Yes or no? It should come now. It should come something like 8 so that we can take common. But I did mistake somewhere. Let me check. Okay, I put here x equals to 3 plus iy, so 3 minus of iy, correct. So z minus z complement plus z complement 3 plus iy. See, I did wrong. I did wrong. I told you now. See, what is this? What is this? Z. Or I am correct. I am totally wrong. I am totally wrong. You can ask me how. Tell me, this is z minus z complement. What I did? I just wrote here z. What about z complement? Minus of z complement. Okay. So I am solving it again here. See this this. Okay, so z 3 plus I y, sir, minus z complement, minus of z complement I am writing here 3 minus I of y, okay, plus z of z complement, so plus z is what, 3 plus I y, 3 plus I y into complement 3 minus I y, okay, no problem. So my student, this is what, 3 plus IY minus 3 minus plus IY plus, again the same thing I told you already. So this is what, 9 plus y square. Okay. So see, can we cancel out here? 3 yes. So this is what, IY plus IY, 2I of y or 2y of I and plus of 9 plus of y square. Okay, now this is correct. Now this is correct. Okay, no issue. No issue. No issue. Now come here. 2 minus, this is 2 minus 3z. So 3 into z. Z is what, 3 plus iy. So 9 plus iy. Okay, 9 plus 3 iy. Okay, correct. 9 plus 3 iy. Okay, correct. With minus sign, plus 5 of z complement. Z complement is 3 minus iy. Okay, no issue at all. So what is this? 2 minus 9 minus 3y I and plus of 15 minus 5y I. Okay. So this is what, 15 plus 2, 17 minus 9, 8. I told you now. See, what is this? What is this? 17 minus 9 is 8 minus of 8yi. Okay. And now this is correct. Okay, so I hope this is correct now. So I am erasing the portion because we need to write this term now. So I am writing directly. So real part of this term. What is this term? 2yi. So I am arranging this 9 plus y square, 9 plus y square plus 2y of I. Okay, and divided by, this is what, 8 minus of 8yi, 8 minus of 8yi. Okay, is this correct? Yeah, correct. Now can we do one thing? Can we do one thing is that if I will ask you, can we just remove this I? Can we just remove this I from denominator? Okay, remove it. How we can remove it? So see, just write like this. Okay, so can we say this is what? Okay, 9 plus y square. Okay, leave it. 9 plus y square plus 2yi divided by, take 8 common. So if you take 8 common, so what will be this? 1 minus I y of I. Okay, so take 8 common. So 1 minus I y of I. Yes or no? 1 minus y of I into 1 plus y of I. Yes or no? And into 1 plus y of I. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Yeah, simple. Now I think I can erase all this. Okay, now see, what is this? Solve it. So if you solve it, so it will come 9 plus y square plus 2yi. Okay, no issue at all. Now multiply by y of I to all the term. So what will come? 9yi plus y cube of I. Am I right? And what is this? Minus of 2y square, directly add it. Okay, I square equals to minus 1 divided by, and this is what, 8. Again 1 plus y square, directly you can say that 1 plus y square. Understood? Now see, and 9 plus y square and minus 2y square. Okay, so you can take this, so you can solve this. This will be what? 9 minus y square, 9 minus y square. Yes or no? Tell me. And this is what, 2yi plus 9yi. So 2yi plus 9y, 11y I, something like that, and plus y square, because we don't need that term. Okay, so plus something of I. Okay, divided by 8 into 1 plus y square. Do you agree? Do you agree? This is the real part. 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 real part of this. Do you agree? Okay, if you agree, so my student, tell me one thing. So can you see what is it? 9 minus y square divided by 8 into 1 plus y square. Okay. 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 So what the value of this term will come? What the value of this term will come, or you can say what is the range of this? We need to find out that. Okay. So how to find out? Listen carefully. Try to do something with this. Try to play with this. So I already played with this in quadratic equation. Okay, if you attended my series there. Okay, now see here. 9 plus y square can be written as 1 plus y square, like term 1 plus y square. Can we write like this? Yeah, it can be. It can be how? See, it can be written like this. Okay, if I say, suppose 1 plus y square minus 1. So this is what? Minus 1 minus y square and minus 1 plus 10. So 10 minus 1 is what? 9. Understood? Okay. So k divided by take 8, write it over here. 8 into 1 plus y square. Now take 8 whole common. 8 whole common. Why? See here. Now can we say this is what? 10 divided by 1 plus y square? Okay, 10 divided by 1 plus y square. And can we say minus 1 plus y square divided by 1 plus y square equals to 1? Okay, no issue. So can we say this is minus 1? Okay, understood. Okay, now you see this is everything is going to be. So now my student, how to find out range of this? I already told you that I already discussed all this concept in earlier classes of the chapter quadratic equation. Now again I am discussing over here. If I ask you what is the value of y square? What is the value of y square? Can be maximum. Okay, y square maximum value. Sir, it can be like this. Sir, 0 and to infinity. Do you agree? Do you agree? Do you agree? So if I will ask you what can be 1 plus y square? 1 plus y square. So you can say, sir, it can be, sir, 1 plus 0 is 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, 1 to infinity. Do you agree? Do you agree? So if I will ask you 1 divided by 1 plus y square, 1 divided by 1 plus y square, what can be the value of this? What can be the value of this? So see, simply y whole square. So simply you put, okay. So minimum is what? 0. So it will come 0. Minimum you can make, okay, y 0. So if you put minimum 0, so again what will come? 1 will come. Yes or no? So now this time, okay, because you are taking reciprocal of this, okay, so 1 will come here. Do you agree? Tell me, do you agree? And infinity, 1 by infinity with 0. Okay, so 0. So now here open it. Do you agree? Okay, so 0 to close 1. Okay, so no issue. So if my child, if this is the value, okay, at all, so tell me, I need what? 10 by 1 plus y square. Yes or no? So I need 10 divided by 1 plus y square. Okay, no issue, sir. So can we say this is what? Into 10 into 10. So 10 into 0, 0 and 1 into 10, 10. So can we say the value will come something like this, 0 to 10. Do you agree? Okay, sir. No problem. Okay, so this is 10 by 1 plus y square is 0 to open interval 0 to close interval 10. Okay, no issue. Now this is whole term we find out over here. Okay, now we found this value over here, that is open interval 0 to close interval 10. Now we need the value of minus of 1. So what we can say that 10 by 1 plus y square minus of 1 will be what? 0 minus 1 minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9. Do you agree? Yes or no? So this is whole value, this is whole value of minus 1 open interval to 9 close interval. So if I will ask you 1 by 8, so what the value will come? Okay, so if I will ask you 1 by 8 of 10 by 1 plus y square minus 1, what value will come? Can you tell me? So it will be minus 1 by 8 to 9 by 8 close, open to close. Do you agree? Do you agree? Do you agree? Do you agree? Yes, sir. So if you agree, so my student, my child, okay, tell me one thing. What is here? what is here? Open interval alpha to close interval beta. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So open interval alpha to close interval beta, sir. So we can say like that. We can say like that. So this is minus 1 by 8 open interval to close interval 9 by 8, sir. Okay, no issue at all, sir. So open interval minus 1 by 8 to 9 by 8 close. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. It's perfect. 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 So what is alpha? Alpha is what? Minus 1 by 8. What is beta? 9 by 8. Do you agree? Yes or no? Yes, sir. What do we want? 24 into beta minus alpha. So can we do beta minus alpha first? Beta minus alpha is what? Beta is 9 by 8 minus minus plus 1 by 8. So this is what? 10 by 8. Do you agree? Do you agree? So what we want now? 24 into beta minus alpha. So what is 24 into 10 by 8? 8 into 3, 3 into 10, 30. 30. Which option? Do you agree? Okay. So just think how I did learn the approach and try to find out correct answer. At the end you have to find out correct answer. So if this type of question will come in JEE Mains, you learned here right now that how to approach such questions. Okay, so as you know, my purpose is to give you such additional value from each chapters, okay, included in JEE syllabus, so that you can boost your score. So if this session, this type of session is useful for you, adding value in you, so you can share with your friends. Thank you.